AI tools that will make you rich in 2024. Hey everyone, today I am going to tell you 5 surprising AI tools that will make you rich in 2024. These AI tools are very impressive and that will make it easy to create videos for social media. And you can even use these tools for making promotional videos for your business. Before starting, let me show you some proof of success that people have achieved by using these tools, so you will know that they work. So let's get started. So our first tool is Perplexity. Now consider Perplexity as a chatbot, much like the popular ChatGPT that is widely acknowledged for its excellent performance. However, ChatGPT does have a limitation. Its data might be a bit old. Perplexity is like a solution that brings you the latest information. When you step into Perplexity's domain, you are greeted with a welcoming home screen. Here, you have the benefit of asking any question directly without the need to log in, because it is designed to be effortlessly user-friendly, ensuring that you get the most current and relevant information in an easy-going manner. For example, if you go to Chat Up and ask about the new president of the USA, then the ChatGPT bot won't answer you. But on Perplexity, the answers are quick and to the point, which is great when you need information in brief. Now, one more interesting thing is the availability of a variety of high-quality images on the right side. Moreover, for content creators, this is especially valuable because it may give them high-quality photos and videos to enhance their content. Now, adding to the positive aspects, it is not just limited to typing here. Further, if you are interested in analyzing an article, you can easily find the article link. What is even more interesting is the ability to upload PDF files. So, if you have got a PDF loaded with extensive data that you would like to condense or inquire about, go ahead and upload it. The system will carefully analyze it and provide you with a to-the-point answers. This unique feature adds a layer of creativity and interest to the platform. Now, the most remarkable aspect is that currently it is free for regular usage. If you intend to use it for everyday purposes, you can do so without suffering from any charges. Well, if these AIs had human ambitions and wanted to earn money, they'd be competing with Elon Musk for the title of the richest being in the world. So our next tool is Newbert. Now we are introducing Newbert, an advanced AI music generator and a comprehensive royalty-free music ecosystem. This creative platform tackles the power of artificial intelligence alongside the creative expertise of music producers. Its primary goal is to deliver top-notch music tracks suitable for a variety of applications, including streaming videos, podcasts, commercial use, and online content. So by combining AI technology with the artistic touch of music creators, Newbert ensures a high-quality musical experience across various platforms. To initiate the music creation journey, click on Generate Track at this point. Upon transitioning to the next page, you will be required to enter relevant details about your music track, shaping it according to your desire. This is the prompt box where you can input your text prompt for music generation. Alternatively, you can choose music genres, modes, and activities from the available options. There is a wide range of music genres to pick from. Once you have selected a genre, proceed to choose the mode, and then specify activities. Following that, set the track length. The default duration is 45 seconds. Once everything is configured, click the Generate Track button. Now, Herbert will take a moment to create the music and you can also hear it. To save the track to your device, simply click on the download icon here. To download the music track, you will need to create an account, which can be done using your Google, Facebook, or email credentials. After you have made a free account, your music track will automatically be placed in the folder designated for downloads. Now our third tool is HeyGen. HeyGen is a cloud-based text-to-video solution that employs AI technology to convert text into high-quality videos. HeyGen is designed for marketers, educators, and content creators. Whether you are making ads for your business, teaching materials for your students, or cool stuff for your social media, it covers a lot of different things. You can make videos with really good lifelike avatars or AI avatars. Plus, you can switch faces on any avatar using photos and make your very own special avatar. It comes with quick avatars, more than 120 public avatars, over 300 voices, automatic captions, and voice cloning. Now, let us come to the next AI tool, which is an ideogram. Ideogram stands out as a powerful tool for adding text to images, especially when you want to convey a Happy New Year message. Unlike other AI tools that might struggle with this, ideogram handles it exceptionally well, making the process interesting. This place makes it super easy to create illustrations using text. And what sets it apart is that the outcomes are better than what you'd get elsewhere. It excels at producing outstanding logo designs, and the impressive part is that it can do this with just a single prompt from you. It can be a productive tool for designers, especially in the upcoming years. So our next tool is Pika. Pika is an incredible tool that transforms text into videos and converts images into engaging video content. Notably, they have recently rolled out an updated version 1.0, enhancing its features and capabilities. Before, you had to utilize Pika on a Discord server, but now Pika has introduced its web version, allowing you to continue using it on Discord. Once you log in, you will be taken to their Explore page, where you can check out examples shared by other users. To use this, type your text in the prompt box. After entering your text, you can include a reference image or video by clicking here. Next, there is the video option where you get to choose the aspect ratio. Pick one of them and then select the frames per second. You can adjust the value from 8 to 24. Following that, there is the motion control option where you can manage the motion of your camera. Once you have configured the camera control, adjust the motion strength, and then move on to final parameters where you can input your negative prompts. You will discover seed numbers here in case you wish to use the same seed for a specific scene. Additionally, there is a feature related to text consistency. Once everything is configured, click on the generate icon. During the review, you will notice some additional options allowing you to regenerate the video, make edits, and add an extra 4 seconds or upscale it. These functionalities are impressive. You can even create videos using an image or a reference video. So these are some amazing AI tools that you can use. Hope you got some value. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comment section. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.